Night mode makes low light photos brighter and sharper. In 60 seconds I'll show how. Unlock your iPhone, then tap the camera app from the home screen to begin. Point the camera at a dim scene. When night mode is available, a moon icon appears. Tap the moon icon to open the night mode slider and reveal exposure controls. Drag the slider to increase exposure time for brighter images, or reduce it to shorten captures. For long exposures, hold steady or mount your iPhone on a tripod for sharper photos. Here's the same scene without night mode, darker, with less visible detail and more noise. Now the night mode result: brighter shadows, clearer highlights, and noticeably less noise. There's no global night mode switch in settings, it activates automatically in low light. Tip: turn off flash, tap to focus, and lock exposure for consistent night mode shots. Quick recap: open camera, spot the moon, tap it, adjust the slider, then capture. That's it. Try night mode tonight and compare your before and after photos. Happy shooting!